just wanted to ask you, what did you make of that run-out call of Ben Stokes in the 26th over of the innings? Because the replay suggested that he had nothing grounded behind the line. So what did you and the entire team made out of the entire episode?
I think we are not the ones here to make decisions. I think the right person was sitting there, and I think whatever he did was all that he could do. I mean, we are nobody to comment on that.
Hey Prasid, well bowled in your debut game. Just wanted to know, having seen England in the first ODI and the first game, seeing their batting, did you do anything differently, or the team meeting the team had decided to do anything different in the second game?
I mean, yeah, we did have our plans. We did talk about the way they were going about things, but I know I want to say we tried our best when we bowled. I mean, there were a couple of chances that could have gone our way, and we must give the credit to them, the way they played, the way they took on our bowlers. I think we must give the credit to them as well. But yeah, 100% there is room for improvement for our bowlers as well.
Prasid, what has been the discussion in the group over the last couple of hours? Can you actually, how do you overcome such an onslaught? It's rare, especially in 50 overs, right?
I mean, yeah, just like I said, I mean, we could have bowled better. I'm not denying the fact, but we need to give credit to the way they played as well. Yeah, it was an onslaught. We got hit quite bad. I mean, that's the game of cricket today. White ball cricket with four outside for the 11 to 40 overs. It is bound to happen. I know we are going to bounce back stronger. It was the same situation last game. We did come back and have a great result for us.
Yeah, hi Prasid, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
Yeah, Prasid, as far as strategies are concerned, what do you think what went wrong in this match as far as bowling is concerned?
With respect to strategy, I think our executions could have been slightly better. I mean, personally, I'm talking about myself alone. Other than that, I mean, it's a repeated question. Third time that you guys are asking. Yes, we did make mistakes. Yes, we could have done better. They batted well too.
So just from a bowler's perspective, how do you look at say bowling to say Rishabh Pant in an imaginary scenario? When he tries to Tom Sandgren's bottom hand sort of came off the bat handle, but still went for a six. So as a bowler, from a bowler's perspective, how do you look at say bowling?
Well, honestly, we are on the same team. I think I need not worry about it right now. One day when I face him, I'll have to sit down and have a strategy set out, to bowling against him.
Prasid, well done in your debut game. Today also very good job for the ball partner. One question: when our bowling was getting hit today, Hardik Pandya was not called to bowl. We saw him very late in the day. So what could be the reason? Is he anything issues with injuries or okay? I mean, any rest?
I mean, I'm not aware of it at all. You need to ask this to the management of the team. I'm just a player here. I'm here to do my duties and help the team win.
Prasid, how would you describe this wicket? Because from outside it looked really flat. The batsman could play on front foot, back foot in air, on ground, everything. So how difficult was it to bowl on this wicket?
It was a very good wicket to bat on, no doubt. I mean, the score says it all. We did hit 337 and they chased it down in the 43rd, 44th over. I mean, it says it all. It was a flat wicket. It was a challenging wicket for the bowlers. The margin of error was very, very less. So yeah, I think it was a flat wicket, like you rightly said.
So, how will you analyze your bowling in the last two games? Since was in the ODI debut and today. So,
personally, I would like to start better. I would like to improve on how I've been starting bowling with the new ball. Otherwise, yeah, maybe today all the runs that I gave away were bad balls bowled by myself. So I think I would go back and work on such things.